Here are the materials you need for the walking water experiment. You just need 2 glasses, 1 with some water, paper towel, 1 spoon, and food coloring. The first thing that we are going to do is to put some drops of food coloring. Then you are going to move the water and put the paper towel. When you have this, you need to wait around 10-15 minutes to see the water in the other glass. As I said before, water gets pulled into the gaps of the paper towel by capillary action, the same phenomenon that allows streams to suck water out of the ground. Water molecules being attracted to one another. I hope that you enjoyed the video. See you the next time. Bye!